last 2 wagon sets of soybeans so that we can get started on corn this morning. Front tires of the tractor are biased by, and it's cold this morning, so I gotta run them for a while to make them round again. This is one of those places I was talking about. All growing season long, it's surrounded by corn. Got the grove in the middle. It's its own little oasis, all summer long. There's so many deer inside that little square. Then you come up here, and you got water source right here, and a natural little travel route connects in with this one over here. There's a big enough culvert underneath the road that deer doesn't even have to duck its head. It could just walk down that way. So we got dredge ditch. Runs along one side with a water source. Got trees for cover. There's corn for food. Nobody lives there. A little bit down the road, dredge ditch makes a left-hand turn. West, makes another turn, then heads straight north. And you come up here to this house. These guys just packed up and left. Bank says they want to sell it, but clear in the back they've got an acre of woods back there. Dredge ditch runs just on the back side of the property. Got cornfields all around it. Not many people want to live here because directly across the road is a 8,000 head confined hog operation, less than 100 feet away. So you can imagine what that smells like, plus the flies. So we're headed down here. I think you can see the top of the 2 wagons right here that I'm going after. This was the last bean field that he had to take out. He's got another 60 acres of corn back here attached to this property. I call it Grandma's field because that dredge ditch splits this field in half, and there's a bridge that goes across it. So that farmhouse up there, clear up there with the shiny bins. There's a path through the middle of the fields, and you haul up through the middle of that site to the highway, make a left-hand turn, and it saves you, it saves about 3 miles of haul time going that way. But I call this field Grandma's field because it's over the river and through the woods. Okay, this was 20 acres of beans yesterday. Now it's all in a wagon.